Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are heading into town today just to spend the afternoon on a nice Sunday afternoon, sunny Sunday afternoon, matter of fact, in town. We will show you where we end up. All right, guys, see you shortly. Hey guys, well, where we came to is we come down here for walks and stuff like that, and we like it down here. It's the Cobourg Marina, or harbor if you want to call it, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a look on what it's all about. The boats aren't here just yet, but they will be here shortly. So this is what the Cobourg Marina looks like. During the summer, there's boats packed in here all the time, and we decided to come down and go for a stroll on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Mariana's got her camera and she's taking pictures of the wildlife. And myself, well, I'm with you guys. I'm going to show you the nature of stuff. Years ago, these condos weren't here built. This was all land here. We had a refinery, I do believe, here at the waterfront years ago. But I will look into that and let you guys know for sure. There's our marina office. And there's the entrance to the Lake Ontario out there. Beautiful blue water. Here are the boat slips down here at the marina. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It's a windy day down here. We have the Canadian Coast Guard here, one of the boats, and an office down here, right there where the boat is standing, and the light tower and the Canadian flag waving in the wind. It's a beautiful day here in Cobourg. I found this, guys, a very interesting machine. It's a boat with looks like a rotor tiller on the front, and I think they're cleaning the bottom of the harbor here. This is quite the rig. It's like a seaweed aerator. Interesting. And it's propelled, guys, by the old style paddles. Isn't that crazy? Huh. Hey guys, this is the waterfront trail. It shows you a bit of how far this trail goes from where it starts, where it goes. So I'm going to try to get it in here as best as I can. home of the Cobourg Yacht Club, guys. Beautiful condos down here, guys, at the Cobourg waterfront. A lot of people outside walking today, walking their dogs and enjoying the beautiful weather. A little bit of history for you guys on the founding of Cobourg. Here's some information, guys, about the Cobourg and Peterborough Railway that went across Rice Lake, and the bridge that went across Rice Lake finally got destroyed. All the information's right there. Here's one of the carts that are still left over from those days of hauling coal and other stuff across the lake. Interesting. Very interesting, guys. I like history. Canadian goose, guys. Floating around. And we have a loon over there, too. Here are the new condos that were built, guys, in Cobourg. Looks like one's for sale down here. If anybody's interested in buying a condo down here in Cobourg Harbour. And guys, it's to go underwater. And it swims around underwater and does its thing, and then pops out. You never know where it pops out, but it pops out. There it is, right there. There you go, you guys. You just witnessed a Canadian loon. Canadian Coast Guard, guys. I got a bit closer to their boats there. They got the big ocean cruiser, and they got the dinghy there. Well, I call it a dinghy, but it's got two big motors on the back, so I imagine she'd be pretty fast. Canadian Coast Guard office, their truck. Years ago, guys, everybody used to be able to drive onto this pier, and we would sit out there at the end of the pier, down there at the end there, and on a stormy day the water would crash up onto the seawall and your vehicle would get a wash. But they closed it off, and years ago we had the waterfront festival, and they always had the rides out here on the pier. And they stopped doing that. They have that now behind me. So, anyways, we're going to go out to the pier and give you guys a view of it, and give you the view of the beach. And this is our Cobourg beach, guys. There's a brave soul out there in the water. Two brave souls. I wouldn't be out there just yet. Even though it's 17 degrees, that water would be really chilly. And we have a little bit of a volleyball game, if you can see that. Hopefully you can see that on the beach. Well, I'll tell you guys, I miss walking. My girlfriend and I in the Philippines, we walked quite a bit when we went to Naval and everywhere. And I sort of, when I got back to Canada, I went on a lazy strip, but not anymore. I'm gonna start walking a little bit more. You know, get my steps in, get the exercise, which will be good for me. And it's always nice to come down here, walk around, kind of thing. And this way, I can bring you guys down here with me. Nice blue ocean, guys. I'm walking out to the lighthouse, or what it used to be lighthouse. I don't know if it's still working or not. I'm not really sure. Can you imagine? Water splashing. You can see the Cobourg Town Hall Tower, and then the Anglican Church Tower. Well, I decided to make a recording that I'm touching the lighthouse here in Cobourg. Maybe someday for my grandkids, when I get older, they can see that Grandpa touched the lighthouse, the existing lighthouse. I don't know if it'll be existing many years down the road, but here I am. And we decided to have a little bit of a rest. We're sitting here on these new benches that they installed on the pier. My daughter and me. Say hi, Mariana.
Hello.
And it's a wonderful day for going out for a stroll. And we are going to go to another place here shortly, and I'll show you where we end up. So I'll see you there, guys. Well, our final stop for today is at Cobourg Dairy Ice Cream. This lovely young lady, Mariana, say hi. She wants some ice cream, so we decided to stop in and get some ice cream for her. So this is our final stop, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.